In this video, I will show you how to fix Free Fire voice chat not working on Android. Let's jump straight into it. First, check the in-game settings. While you are in the lobby or in a match, tap the microphone and speaker icons and make sure they are not muted. There should be no slash on them. Next, go to Settings, tap Sound, and turn the voice chat volume all the way up. Also, make sure you are on the correct voice channel like Team or All. If Push to Talk is turned on, either hold the button while talking or turn it off for continuous voice chat. If that doesn't fix it, let's check Android settings. Open your phone settings, go to Apps, App Management or Manage Apps, depends on your phone model. Then find Free Fire from the list, tap on it. Then tap on Permissions and make sure microphone access is allowed. After that, go to Storage and tap Clear Cache. Don't worry, this will not delete your game data. Also make sure Free Fire is allowed to use background data. And close apps like Discord, WhatsApp, or screen recorders that might be using your mic. Finally, try some network and system fixes. Restart the game or your phone. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data and check if your internet is stable. If nothing works, update Free Fire from the Play Store or reinstall it. That's it. One of these steps should fix your Free Fire voice chat. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick fixes.